Artificial intelligence isn't just a concept of the future, it's a reality that's seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. From the way we travel to how we secure our homes, AI is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. Let's delve into the sectors where AI is making a significant impact. Military and defense. In modern warfare, AI is a game changer. Autonomous drones are now capable of executing missions with minimal human intervention. The UK's Veterans Minister has highlighted the potential of drones to strike targets without direct human input, emphasizing the transformative impact of such technology in conflicts like the one in Ukraine. Moreover, AI is enhancing battlefield strategies through advanced simulations and data analysis. The integration of AI into military decision-making is reshaping the nature of wartime deception, requiring new strategies to mislead not only human commanders but also AI systems. Cybersecurity. AI is transforming cybersecurity by enabling real-time threat detection and adaptive defense mechanisms. Unlike traditional systems that rely on static rules, AI-powered tools analyze massive amounts of data to identify unusual patterns, detect anomalies, and respond instantly to emerging threats. These systems continuously learn from new attack vectors, allowing them to evolve and strengthen defenses proactively, essential in an era of increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. AI also enhances efficiency by automating routine tasks like log analysis and vulnerability scanning, freeing up human experts for more strategic decisions. Intelligent firewalls powered by AI can dynamically adjust to threats, providing a more resilient digital barrier. Companies like NetGuru and Luminalta are leveraging such technologies to offer advanced, responsive cybersecurity solutions that adapt as fast as cyber threats evolve. Smart homes. AI is transforming homes into smarter, more efficient spaces by integrating with everyday devices like voice assistants, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. These AI-powered systems manage tasks such as adjusting lighting, controlling thermostats, and playing music through simple voice commands. They learn user preferences and routines, automating daily activities and enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. Beyond voice control, AI also plays a key role in predictive maintenance. Smart devices like refrigerators and thermostats use AI to monitor performance and detect potential issues before they become problems. AI-driven leak detection systems, like Flow by Moen, can identify water leaks and prevent damage by shutting off the water supply automatically. These innovations not only improve functionality but also contribute to a more sustainable and secure living environment. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by enhancing precision and efficiency in various areas. Robotic surgical systems like the Da Vinci surgical system enable minimally invasive procedures with improved accuracy, while AI algorithms assist in real-time data analysis, optimizing surgical approaches and predicting potential complications. In diagnostics, AI excels in analyzing medical images, detecting conditions such as cancer more accurately than human doctors, leading to earlier and more effective interventions. Additionally, AI-driven remote patient monitoring systems track vital signs continuously, providing healthcare professionals with real-time data to detect health issues early. This proactive approach reduces hospital readmissions and ensures timely interventions, ultimately improving patient outcomes and making healthcare more efficient. Transportation. AI is transforming transportation by improving both self-driving cars and traffic management. Self-driving vehicles use AI to navigate roads, interpret traffic signals, and avoid obstacles, aiming to reduce accidents caused by human error. In cities like Pittsburgh, AI-powered traffic lights have reduced travel time by 25% and idling time by 40%, optimizing traffic flow and cutting down emissions. In logistics, AI enhances efficiency by optimizing delivery routes, managing fleets, and predicting maintenance needs. Companies like UPS utilize AI-driven systems like Orin to streamline operations, reduce costs, and ensure timely deliveries, ultimately improving customer satisfaction. These AI innovations are making transportation safer, more efficient, and environmentally sustainable. Artificial intelligence has already become a fundamental part of our daily lives, seamlessly integrated into various aspects of society. From smart homes and healthcare to transportation and cybersecurity, AI is improving efficiency, enhancing safety, and providing new levels of convenience. As AI continues to evolve, its influence will only grow, reshaping how we live, work, and interact with our environments, making the world more connected and intelligent. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on AI.